Hello, everyone. I want you to know that every solution mentioned here has been verified by the mechanics working right now in the shop where I'm standing. This message often appears when you exceed the allowed time limit for trying to start the engine. After that, the system locks any new attempts for at least 15 minutes. Also, I have to tell you that this message is actually a protection measure. If you keep the starter motor cranking for too long without the engine starting, you can burn out or damage the starter, the battery, or even overload other electrical components. That's why the mechanics in this workshop recommend waiting at least 15 minutes, as indicated by the system, before trying again. This allows the system to reset the lock. If, after waiting, the issue still doesn't go away, my mechanics suggest checking whether the battery is properly charged and in good condition by measuring its voltage. Also inspect the battery terminals, connections between the battery and ground, and the cables that power the starter motor. Don't forget to check the fuses and relays in the starting circuit. Sometimes a faulty relay can fail intermittently. If that doesn't fix it, they recommend inspecting the starter motor and starter relay, making sure the starter isn't excessively worn and that the solenoid is working properly. Lastly, inspect the related sensors, belts, tensioners, and data transmission lines. In other words, check sensors like the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft sensor. If any of them fail, the ECU may block the starting process. So, depending on what's found, you'll need to repair or replace the faulty component.